Hello people, so today we're making some delicious Jamaican egg fried rice. Yeah, so before I start the fried rice, I have some pork skin. I'm going to cut up in some medium-sized cubes and then fry it. This would add a lot of flavor to the oil. As a fact, this is the oil. There's something about the pork fat when it's melted, just very delicious. This will add flavor to the oil, and also this will be the protein source apart from the egg. So I'm just gonna put this aside and put the pot right here. So I'm gonna put the pork skin in the pot while the pot is cold, and pork skin takes a while to render out. I'm going to add it to the pot when the pot is cold, and while the pot heat increase, the fat will render out. Alright, so we're looking at some crispy pork skin now. Going to take this out. I'm going to add them back later. Yes, and now I'm going to add my carrots. Let these fry a little. Yes, so I'm going to season these with some salt. When the carrots are cooked, I'm going to add some corn, some scallion, crush some garlic over this. About 4 cloves. Next I'm going to add some onions and ackee. Thyme. I'm going to add some thyme and some sweet pepper. I'm going to allow this to fry. So here I have some day-old rice. I'm going to put this in a pot too and crush it while I put it in a pot. Kind of wondering if this pot is too small. So I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm going to put one more. So now it's time for the eggs. Let them cook. Alright. Let's turn this around now. And add back the pork skin. So now I'm going to add some MSG. And then taste for salt. That's it for my version of Jamaican egg fried rice. Now it's time for the taste test. Yeah, so this is it. Now it's time to taste it. I like the crunch that I get from the crispy pork skin. And the extra chew. Honestly, I don't know if egg fried rice is the right name for this because the amount of things that is in it that overpower the egg. But yeah, this is my version of Jamaican egg fried rice. It's spicy and I love that. This is good, honestly. So I was wondering what protein I should use, if I should use shrimp, chicken or fish. Let's start like pork skin is good. I like it when it's crispy. Surprisingly, it was very, very cheap. Like I think this is the cheapest meat I've ever seen. So chicken is $250 a pound. This was $42 for half pound. So it's $80 a pound. Cheap. The corn, the carrot, the ackee. No, I didn't mention the ackee earlier, but the ackee is the crispy pork skin in it. This is just right. This is just right. I'm trying to get my summer body, and this is not helping at all. But that's it for this week's episode. Until next week Sunday, thanks for watching. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next week. Maybe I should just call it Jamaican fried rice with eggs.